Well, this is a first for me. Michael is making bacon over this solo stove. Kind of like roasting a hot dog. What was it you said a while ago?
You can eat bacon any time of the day.
Exactly. Check that out. It's getting closer to done, isn't it?
I'm sure that piece right there is done. Ooh, hot. Oh, that's awesome. Whew. Oh man, that's good. Ooh, it's hot. Nice.
Man, hickory bacon cooked over an open campfire. Wow. All right, my turn. Woohoo! You know, it's hard to ruin bacon, but
That's pretty good.
But to improve on bacon, oh yeah. So you can see it's going to get pretty cold. They're calling for 5, and according to that special weather statement, it could get as low as 0 tonight. So this will be a good time to, be out and see how the setup here in the truck is going to work. Let me show you around. You can see I got plenty of blankets. There's the battery down there that's running the diesel heater. Got a little power station up there to charge the phone and stuff. This is a really nice little carbon monoxide detector. Always need to have one of those when you're in an enclosed place like this. And this is where the heat is coming in from the diesel heater that's sitting outside. I'll show you more of the setup in the morning. For now, I'm just going to kick back, listen to my book, and then get a really good night's sleep. Alrighty. Good morning. I just turned the diesel heater up from a setting of 2, where I kept it all night, up to 5, which is halfway on that Hcalory. It's their newer model diesel heater. It's what they call the toolbox. I did a video on it a couple of weeks back if you want to check it out. But it is 6 degrees outside, which is as cold as it got last night. And it maintained around 40 or so in here, like 43, 44. Right now it's 47. So I slept comfortably. That wasn't a problem at all. But let me show you what it looks like. Alrighty, there's Michael and his rig. Looks like he's got the fire going. There's a small pond down there. That's a fire road. And Opie and I have hiked down there before. It's a really nice hike. So not a bad way to wake up. In the Hoosier National Forest. All right, Michael's almost got everything put away. And I'm getting ready to put my stuff away, but I wanted to show you this diesel heater setup. I just put it in that tote to bring it, and then, of course, you know, for transporting, and then it works great as a platform. But that's the way we did it. And it worked fantastic. So, thanks for coming along with me. It was a great experience in a beautiful place. Diverse camping in the Hoosier National Forest. See you on the next one.
See you on the next one, Keith.
Later.